In order to learn how to make chords, we need to learn what half steps and whole steps are first. So I'm going to take a couple of these stickers off so that we can see a little bit better. We're going to talk about half steps first. To do a half step, here's my starting note, my C. I'm going to move directly to the key next to it. And that's a half step. Now, it does not matter if you're starting on a white key and moving to a black key. It does not matter if you're starting on a white key and moving to a white key, black key to white, doesn't matter. It just matters if we're moving directly one over. Also, we can move up one or we can move down one. Easy enough, right? Okay, now for whole steps. So for a whole step, we are going to skip the key directly next to it, and we're going to go to the next key. Okay, we can also do this going down. So if I'm on C, I'm going to skip B, and I'm going to go to either B flat or A sharp, depending on what we're calling it. Okay, I can start on F sharp, skip G, and hit G sharp. I could start on D sharp and hit F. There's lots of different whole steps I can do. And also, like I said, we can move up, or we can step up, or we can step down. So here's a step down. Let's do D. Skipping D flat or C sharp. So doesn't matter the direction we're moving. It doesn't matter the color of the key that we start on or the color of the key we land on. It's all about the space. Remember, half step, right next door. Whole step, skip one. It's like 2 doors down. Skip one. There you go. And those are our half steps and whole steps.